What is up, folks? You are here with the Fly Guy. Well, it's been a while since I posted a video. My life has just been really busy lately, and I had some videos that I wanted to post a while back at the end of September, and October kind of got away from me. So I just wanted to apologize that I haven't posted anything. Like I said, my life has just been really busy. I'm getting ready for practicum and internship with school, and I've been substitute teaching. My classes have been really involved, and I just needed to get some things accomplished, kind of take some time for my family, and take care of some things in my life. So I haven't really been able to post videos, but that is going to change. I'm going to have a little bit more free time. Not that much, but a little bit more free time coming up here soon. And hopefully going to get out there and chase some steelhead once those really start running in full force. I'm expecting to maybe get out there in the next few weeks or so and kind of test the waters. I know people have already been catching them, but I'm not really convinced that there's really large numbers yet. I'm waiting for those numbers to really build in those tribs. So look forward to getting out and posting some steelhead videos soon. And I have a video here. It was a short walk and wade trip that I took on the Mohican River back in August, and caught a couple nice fish, so I wanted to share those with you. And just be expecting some fly talk episodes and fly tying demo videos to be posted, all throughout the winter. I'm going to be at the Vice. That's my primary time to tie. So during this winter, you'll see more of those videos coming out as well. So sit back, relax. I hope you enjoy this video. Thanks for watching. And this is a short walk and wade trip that I took on the Mohican River, chasing smallmouth and carp.
Nice. There's a Mohican River smallmouth on the drop shot. Nice fish. There he goes.
This fish is going for a run, folks. Oh, this fish is going for a run. Folks, this fish gave me a shower. But man, he is not long, but he is fat. This fish weighs about 15 pounds. This is a solid carp. And I saw him feeding close to the shore, and I dropped the rust bug in front of him, and that was it. He took it. Let's go ahead and get him back in the water. If you like this video, go ahead and hit thumbs up. And if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching, everybody. Take care, and we'll catch you next time.